talk about rational numbers. And before we talk about rational numbers in detail, let's see what the name, this natural numbers, the collection of natural number. This is represented by the alphabet capital N. And you know your natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. So natural numbers will be denoted by N. And whole numbers will be denoted by W. You know your whole numbers start from 0 and then 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now you can see this 1, 2, 3 is seen here also. So from here we can say all natural numbers are whole numbers. But this 0 cannot be seen here. So we can say all whole numbers are not natural numbers. So you must know what the collection has and what is it is denoted by. Then we talk about integers. We have from this side, there is no limit on both the side. So from, if I have written -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, so both sides so many numbers can be there. These are called integers, and the collection, I have written here collection, the collection of integers is denoted by Z. Then we talk about rational numbers. Now in between your integers there are fractions also. So these positive are fractions, and when you talk about negative and positive, we call them rational numbers. And rational numbers and irrational numbers together, they are called real numbers. And these integers are denoted by Z, and your rational numbers are missed out, they are denoted by Q. And real numbers is collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers, and we use capital R to denote the collection of these numbers. एक बार रिपीट करेंगे. नेचुरल नंबर्स को N से डिनोट करेंगे, होल नंबर्स को W से डिनोट करेंगे, इंटीजर्स को Z से, रैशनल नंबर्स को Q से, और रैशनल नंबर और इरैशनल नंबर टुगेदर क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? रियल नंबर्स. और रियल नंबर्स को किससे डिनोट करेंगे? R से. Now let's revise definition of rational numbers now. So we talk about rational numbers. Rational numbers, and we denote them by Q. What is the definition? A number which can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Why we write Q not equal to 0? Because you know division by 0 is not defined, so that number will be not defined if my denominator is 0. So we write P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. And then we talk about there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So we can say there are infinitely, if I have, we can also add on 0 is a rational number as it can be written as 0 by 1. Now you can see, let's see the definition. P and Q are integers. This is P, this is Q. So P is 0, which is an integer. Q is 1, which is an integer. And Q is not equal to 0. So 0 is a rational number as it can be written as 0.1, where P is equal to 0, Q is equal to 1 are integers, and Q is equal to 1 is not equal to 0. So this is satisfying the definition of a rational number. So we can say 0 is a rational number and 1 is also a rational number, and between 0 and 1 there can be infinitely many rational numbers, as we have fractions in between any two numbers we take, or any two rational numbers when we take.